Welcome to your 5-minute Essential Hips yoga practice, meaning it is made up of all of those essential movements that our hips should really be doing each and every day. So we'll get started lying on our backs. And once you've arrived, you can keep the left leg extended as you bring the right knee in towards the chest and start circling it outwards. So slowly waking up that right hip joint. And then reverse your circle, take a few in the other direction. And then take hold of that right knee with your right hand and let that hand carry the knee out towards the side, getting a nice stretch into the inner right thigh and hip. And then we'll switch hands, let the left hand carry the right knee over into a twist. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, return onto your back and give that leg a good shake, shaking it a little bit in all directions, releasing all tension. And we'll switch sides. The right leg goes long, the left knee comes in and starts to circle around. And then reverse your circle. Release the movement. The left hand holds the left knee open, feeling into that stretch. And then the right hand will take the knee over towards the right for your twist. Let's release, rolling back, give that left leg a good shake in all directions. And extend the leg. We're transitioning towards hands and knees now, so you can come up towards seated, and then just come to an all fours position. From here, we'll open the right leg out towards the side 3 times, so like a fire hydrant. And on your third time, tuck the right knee behind the left, so we're in this sort of shoelace pose, and start to sway the body forwards and back. So you do not need to go all the way back. This is more an exploration of what the body feels like doing in this position. And then keep the legs crossed and sway the hips from side to side. And then you can untangle the legs, coming back to all fours, second side. So the left knee opens out towards the side, 3 times into that fire hydrant move. And on the third time, tuck it in behind your right knee, widen the feet a little bit as we sway the body forwards and back. So with our lower body braced into this position, this is a great way to kind of explore movement through the hips and through the lower back as we sway a little bit side to side. And gently release. We'll come towards Giraffe Pose, so sitting down with the sole of the right foot somewhere close to your left thigh. And let's circle the upper body around. So again, bracing our lower body, bracing our hips. As we pivot around that center point, and then switching directions. This is not an easy move, but since we don't have a lot of time today, we're making the most of it. Really nice. Release, we'll simply switch sides with those legs. Sole of the left foot comes towards the right thigh. You could keep your fingertips beside you or else hold on to your knees as you circle the upper body. And switch directions. Take one final circle here, straighten up through the upper body, And then return to all fours and sit back towards your heels for one final moves here. Squeeze the glutes as you lift up, and then gently set yourself back down. So we'll take that a few more times. Squeeze to lift, press the hips forwards, and sitting back down, squeeze and lift. And let's hold here. Keep those glutes squeezed, keep pressing the hips forwards. And release. Find a comfortable seat. Give your hips a little tap, a little thank you. Well done. And if you'd like to continue working on our hips together, I'll leave a link on screen and in the description box for my 5-day free hips challenge. I'd love to see you there. Please remember to subscribe to my channel before you go, and have a wonderful day.